Welcome back to the channel, and today I gave a scalp long fast and it's on the whale scalpers chat. As you can see, this is the whale scalpers chat group, and inside that group I gave this long call over here in the scalp method, and we made around 61% in just few minutes. Okay, the entry was 99k and then we were trading around 99.5k, 99.47, something like that, and I told them that we should close half in profit and just put a stop loss at break even. Yeah, and also I mentioned about before I start the Bitcoin update, I'll be announcing something very important to you guys. You guys don't need to pay anything, any single dime to me, and I don't want your money. I am not interested in asking you for money, any kind of shit like that. I just want you to grow. I just want your portfolio to grow, and that is why I've started this initiative. This initiative takes nothing from you, and this is how you can join that. You can go on the pin message also. If you want to join on my whale scalpers group, you can just click on this pin message and you will see these are the two steps. If you have a portfolio of around 5k plus USDT in futures, or you just have 2k or 3k, you can still join with my link in on Bluefin. After you join the Bluefin account, you have created a Bluefin account and imported funds on them. You can just send your UID to this Telegram channel or username out there, and I will be adding them personally and manually checking. Okay, so this is what I'm providing you guys with, and actually you can just scroll above and you can see that I also gave a long call yesterday and looking to long BTC if it holds this EMA cluster. I think the flush this happened was soon enough. After the flush happened, after the dump happened, I exactly told you to open a long at 98k, and then you can see that I've documented every single profit here. You can still see that this is the same screenshot, 217%, and then I close this whole move. You can still see that we caught around the top $100,000, above $100,000, 548%, and then I told you that I was just closing it. I announced this on my whale scalp group, and here also closed BTC scalp completely here, made around 500% in total. So this was my yesterday's profit, and then today I'm just in a long on BTC and I have half has been closed and rest is at stop loss. Why do I think that Bitcoin will go up? Let me just share with you. If you go into the 15-minute chart, you'll see a lot of interesting things are happening right now. So what was the first thing that came into my notice? The first thing that came into my notice yesterday that I gave that long over here was this thing only, which was around let me show you. If we don't just ignore this wick over here, if we take this second wick over here in the traditional markets as well, in the crypto markets I've seen, then generally a long wick like that you can ignore. You can just take from the second wick that happens. This actually, for those who don't know, this actually happened also one more time, and this happened around when we went to around 48k. Yeah, this is the time when we went to around 48k, and that was a very deep wick, and in that wick also I use this method to find the long entries, and generally it's good to long after such a good flush has happened in the market. Okay, so this flush actually happened. Let me just explain to you where this happened, and yeah, this is not that one, this is that one. Okay, so this is where I long in the second wick also. What you do is you just take that second wick and just take this also, and you will see that we long from 38%. This was a clear cut long from 38%, because I have told many a times on my Telegram channel as well or on the YouTube channel that a 38.2% bounce is a very good bounce on a bull market, especially if you're in a bull market in a longer term time frame. Still you can see that my position will be in massive profit. It's trading around 99.5k now, so must be making around 70%, 80% plus. So this you can see how clear cut my analysis on Bitcoin is on the lower time frame as well as on the higher time frame. And this is not stopping, guys. I'm telling you, once this crosses BTC crosses this level over here, 99.6k, then we are just doomed to go 100.3k, and then the next target would be around $100,000 and $1,000. Okay, So this is the move that I'm planning to capture. You can just come to this video tomorrow or today whenever you feel like, and you can see if my analysis worked or not. I have full confidence on my analysis. And why shouldn't I have this confidence? Because I've been in the market since the past 7 to 8 years, and I just recently opened this YouTube channel just to spread my information, spread my analysis with you guys, share my analysis with you guys. And yeah, one of my friends told me that opening a YouTube channel will document your journey in trading also, and you'll be sharing your information with many more who need such information. So let's just see today's long. Why did I take this long over here? I took this long over here because this was a clear cut golden pocket bounce from this low over here, and this low. Why did I take this low? Because this was a price cluster. Price stopped this is in this range and chopped you off, and then it went up from 97.3k to $201,000 0.9k, and then it dumped, and this is exactly the golden pocket zone. And that is why I long this price action over here. And my targets are around 38.2%, above $100,000. And yeah, I'm long in BTC. And why I took this long over here, let me explain to you. This long I took because of this flush over here. Let me just explain in the smaller time frame. So let's just look. So yeah, what I will be taking it as this low over here. This is the low. The second wick, this second wick is the low over here, and I'll just place it like this. And after that, you can see that the price went up till here, and I'll place this over here and just extend it. You will clearly see this is the 38.2% level, and I took an entry around here, and I made a massive 500% profit. And this was very, very clear, guys. I have explained this concept to you many a times on my Telegram channel, as well as on my YouTube, and also in my whale scalpers groups. If you're not part of it, make sure to be part of that, because it's free, guys. I'm doing this all for free from your end. Nothing is taken, nothing is paid. So yeah, and the next targets for Bitcoin would be from this high over here to, let me just take this. Okay, so the next targets could be around this 76.8%, and then you can exit this long over here around here $102,000. And yeah, and after that, in the macro time frame, let's just analyze Bitcoin where the macro time frame is working out. Let's just put a fib extension tool for this. This is a great tool to predict the this kind of movement if you need to find tops of the Bitcoin. And yeah, we'll take it from 66.8k, and then we'll place it over here and then place it like this. Okay, so the next stop could be likely $110,000, $116,000, $123,000. What I am very much pro of is this level over here, the $123,000 or $120,000. So this would be my stop. This would be my prediction in Bitcoin, and that could be one place where you would be starting to accumulate your BTC shorts in the longer time frame, because that is where the markets tend to exhaust, because this BTC has rallied so much that the bull market top could be near. So that is my prediction. That is when you have to exit the market, start taking profits in Bitcoin. I'm not saying in altcoins. Altcoins must rally higher and higher. Let's just analyze the liquidation heat map where it is sitting right now. If we go in the 7-day time frame, we'll see the liquidation is sitting at 97.2k. That is extremely good, interesting. And the next thing is 99.2k in the smaller time frame. And yeah, the upper side liquidation we couldn't find any much, but the lower side liquidations are still there, and there are many people who longed at the wick, I think. So in the 1-day time frame, we are looking at $102,000. There you can see that the 500 million, $500 million of delta would be liquidated. So that is one thing that you should take profit at. If you are in a long trade, anyhow, you would be taking profits at around $102,000 to $2.5 thousand. So this area over here would be very, very important, guys. So this is the area. This is the 3.44% move, and yeah, there you have to take profit. So subscribe to the channel, make sure you join the Telegram. The link will be in the description of this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye, take care.